done the swimming.
Did you wash it?
I washed it. No.
Okay. Yeah, you throw that away.
Yes.
Why?
The chef always puts its garbage on site. And then let's cut it in half.
Put that away, Mama. You don't need that much broccoli.
Do you know the movie about that? Mommy, do you know the movie about that?
Huh?
Yeah.
No.
What is one girl was really sad, and then she was skinny. She was going to fitness and being skinny.
Mhm.
And then when she was skinny, she had nothing to do, so she was going to be a singer. And then she wanted to be a singer. Then she was driving one day. And then she was
I think I watched that movie.
when she was driving, she hit one man, and then the man, and her hair was on her eyes.
Mhm. I think I've seen that movie. It's a Korean movie, right? I'm not a big fan of Korean movies. Korean bands, Korean stuff.
And then when she bombed the car, she went out and her hair was on her eyes.
Yeah, I saw it.
And then when she took her hair off, the man, when he's just okay, he got blood out of his hair.
Yeah, I remember. You can cook those, Namon, just so you know. Those things you're throwing away, yes, that's full of vitamins. Why are you throwing?
What is this?
Broccoli.
Yes, but how many vitamins does it have?
I don't know, it's broccoli stem, you eat them. Yeah, you eat this, not that, that's too big. You can throw that. Don't eat it like that.
Chicken.
Yeah, if you want. Yeah, it's on medium. That's it. I don't know who did that.
You did it.
No.
I seen a long time ago like this and then it was bended. I never got to use it anymore.
I don't know, Namo. It was like that.
When it came?
No. I think someone just did it. Namo, don't blame anyone, okay? I don't like that. What if it's broken? It's broken. Make sure you don't fall, Namo.
How are you going to fall in this?
I don't know. You look like you're gonna fall to me.
What do I do like that? Okay, what am I going to do with this? I mean, so Hashanah, if you miss me, if you miss me, you can send me pictures, send me a card, send me something. I don't know what. And just don't tell me that you don't miss me because I am missing you from this head, from that feeling to the bottom of the forest. Okay? I don't think you're missing. I don't think but you're not talking to me. Where's the cat?
Here, Namo. On top of the bowl. Pot, Namo, pot.
Thank you.